I add some salt. I add some salt. I cook with love. I cook with love. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I bake some bread. I bake some bread. I peel the potatoes. I peel the toes. I serve the food. I serve the food. I use a fork. I use a fork. I take a knife. I take a knife. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I mix the flour. I mix the flour. I put on the apron. I put on the apron. I slice the tomatoes. I slice the toes. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I pour the milk. I pour the milk. I use a spoon. I use a spoon. I clean the table. I clean the table. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I boil the water. I boil the water. I tidy the kitchen. I tidy the kitchen. I wait for dinner. I wait for dinner. I crack an egg. I crack an egg. I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I set the table. I set the table. I clean the sink. I clean the sink. I sharpen the knife. I sharpen the knife. I chop the onions. I chop the onions. I heat the food. I heat the food. I make some coffee. I make some coffee. I close the oven. I close the oven.